Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use NVIDIA RTX Video Super Resolution. First, get to the main desktop homepage of your Windows computer. Right-click on the desktop and in the menu that appears, select Show More Options. This will bring up a secondary menu. From this menu, open the NVIDIA Control Panel. Once you are inside the NVIDIA Control Panel, navigate to the Video and Image Settings section. Here, you will see the RTX Video Enhancement settings. Make sure to checkmark the Super Resolution feature. After that, select the Auto Quality option. This allows the system to automatically adjust the settings for optimal performance. You can also choose other presets if you prefer, but it is generally better to leave it on auto. If you want, you can also toggle on the HDR enhancements for an even better visual experience. Once you have made all your desired adjustments, click on the Apply button at the bottom right corner of the window. And that's it, you're good to go. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.